Positive, powerful affirmations made for you to change your old negative beliefs about yourself to positive, strong ones. As you already know, our body is just like a computer, and in order for us to function well physically, mentally, and spiritually, we have to program it correctly. Once we are born in this world, the programmation starts right away without us even knowing. So we are already having programs running without us controlling them. That is why now we are going to reprogram our mind with the goal to remove all the programs that are no longer serving us and even making our lives harder, and replace them with new ones that would let us thrive and shine our light. We can do that very easily thanks to positive affirmations. Through repetition, the mind will have no choice but replace any negative thoughts we carried away all the way from our childhood with the positive new ones that we are going to give him. Remember, the key is repetition, and that means doing positive affirmations every single day. And it doesn't matter if we don't believe the words we are saying now, because with time, we will. Today, affirmations are about self-esteem. Let's begin. I will leave space between each affirmation for you so you can repeat after me. I have much self-worth and inner beauty. I like who I am and who I am becoming. I deserve everything good that comes to me. I am empowered to have the things I seek. I believe in my ability to express my true self with ease. My life is a miracle and I belong here. I am creative, strong, powerful, brave, and inspired. People look up to me. People want what I have. My goals are already being accomplished. Each day, I am more and more aware of my innate beauty, creativity, and abundance. Everything is possible for me. What I want is coming to me. My contributions are valid and appreciated. My body is beautiful exactly the way it is. I am whole and complete. I am doing a great job. I respect myself and others appreciate me. There is absolutely nothing out of my reach. I can have everything I want in life. I believe in myself. People want to hear my thoughts and opinions. My voice is important. I attract wonderful things into my life. I am beautiful, intelligent, fun, and full of life. I have the power to create the life I want. I deserve to be paid well for my skills. I am worthy of happiness. I am surrounded by grace and positivity. I am a special person and I love myself. I am beautiful inside and outside. I am surrounded by positivity and beauty. Nothing can stop me from achieving my dreams. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of success. I am doing well in life. I am perfect just the way I am. Thank you for doing these affirmations with me. Don't forget to repeat it every day for real change. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I send you love and gratitude.